Looking for a powerful fog light for your motorcycle? Here is Moto Arch J05 60W fog lights. Designed to improve visibility, safety and confidence on every ride. Moto Arch J05 delivers a powerful output of 7200 luminance, helping you see further and clear during night rides. One of the key features is the wireless switch, which gives you an effortless control at your fingertip. With quick pairing and responsive operations, you can instantly switch between lighting modes without complicating wiring on your handlebars. Complementing the convenience is the dual light system. The white light works at 6000 Kelvin, providing bright and crisp illumination for night visibility, while the 3000 Kelvin amber light enhances the visibility in fog. The J05 also comes with multiple lighting modes like low beam, high beam, stove flashing and left and right flash mode. This instantly allows you to adapt your lighting setups based on your road conditions and riding requirements. The installation is hassle-free as the kit includes a complete plug-and-play wiring harness and ACC wiring support. This means the light can automatically turn on and off with your motorcycle ignition. It also features heat and water resistant design to withstand long rides, changing weathers and rough road conditions. So let's see what's inside the box. You get fog lights with yellow filter caps, wiring harness, mounting clamps, wireless switch and user manual. These lights are available at bikesterglobal.com and all Bikester Global stores. Check out the link given in the description. If you're new to the channel, like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.